Welcome to Simply Happy Now. Today we discover a secret key that unlocks the door to lasting joy and peace. We all desire happiness, but we often misunderstand its source, believing that getting what we want will finally make us grateful. However, look closely at the world. There are people who have everything they could ever want, yet they remain unhappy. Conversely, we see people who face great misfortune and struggle, yet they radiate a profound sense of joy and peace. This paradox reveals a fundamental truth. It is not happiness that makes us grateful, but gratitude that makes us happy. If you are grateful, you are happy. This is the simple yet powerful equation that can transform our entire existence. But what exactly do we mean by gratitude? It arises from two essential elements coming together in a single moment.
First, it must be something of value to you. Second, it must be a real gift, given freely and unearned. Consider the air you breathe right now. It is valuable because it keeps you alive, and it is a free gift. You did not earn your breath, nor did you buy it. It is given to you freely, moment by precious moment. Yet we often miss these gifts because we are rushing through life, constantly chasing the next big thing or achievement. To cultivate gratitude, we need a method. It is a simple recipe that we learned as children. Stop, look, go. The first step is to stop. We must build stop signs into our lives to prevent being swept away blindly. Without stopping, we cannot truly pay attention. We run on autopilot, missing the richness that every single moment holds for us. When you wake up, stop. Do not rush out of bed. Realize that this new day is a gift to you. Life is not guaranteed. Many people did not wake up today, but you did. This day is yours to fully live.
The second step is to look. Open your eyes, your ears, and your heart to the opportunity within this moment. Look for the opportunity to enjoy, to learn, or to help. Every moment offers a unique gift if we look. When you drink water, look at its clarity. Feel its coolness. Be grateful for the simple miracle of quenching your thirst. We take so much for granted. Looking means recognizing the marvelous infrastructure and labor that supports our daily comfort and safety. Look at the faces of your loved ones. See the opportunity to connect, to love, and to share this time together. Even when things are difficult, look for the opportunity. It might be a chance to learn patience or to grow stronger.
The third step is to go. Once you have seen the opportunity, you must take action and avail yourself of it. Gratitude is not just a passive feeling, it is an active engagement with life. It requires us to do something. Go means using the opportunity to help others. It creates a cycle of kindness that ripples out into the world. It can also mean creating something beautiful. When we create, we honor the gifts and talents we have been given. Going involves participation. We join with others to build, to grow, and to nurture the world that sustains us all. Even small actions count. Writing a thank you note or simply smiling at a stranger are powerful ways to go.
This practice of stop, look, go does not just change you, it has the potential to transform our entire society. Grateful people are not fearful. Fear creates barriers and violence, but gratitude builds bridges and fosters a sense of safety. When you are grateful, you act out of a sense of sufficiency, not scarcity. You know you have enough. This sense of enough leads to sharing. If we all shared, there would be enough for everyone on this planet. Gratitude respects all life. It prevents us from exploiting others or nature, fostering a deep respect for our shared home. A grateful world is a joyful world. It is a place where differences are celebrated rather than feared or suppressed. This is the gratitude revolution. It does not require violence, but it changes everything by changing how we perceive reality. It starts with you, right now. You have the power to stop the noise and tune into the frequency of gratitude. Do not wait for a catastrophic event to wake you up. Start appreciating the small, ordinary moments of your daily life. Learn from children who find wonder in everything. Reclaim that sense of awe and let it guide your daily actions. Remember the mantra, stop to wake up, look to see the gift, and go to share the joy with others.
As you practice this, you will notice your fear diminishing and your capacity for love and connection growing stronger every day. Imagine a society where everyone acts from gratitude. We would treat each other with dignity, patience, and profound understanding. This is not a utopian dream. It is a practical possibility. It begins the moment you decide to be grateful. Feel your heart beating. That rhythm is the rhythm of life, a constant gift given to you without any condition. Let that gratitude flow into your actions. Be the reason someone else smiles today. Be the stop sign for someone rushing. When you are grounded in gratitude, the storms of life may shake you, but they will never be able to break you. Walk your path with open eyes. The world is trying to give you gifts at every turn, if you notice. The universe is vast and mysterious, yet you are here, conscious and able to experience it. That is a miracle. Share this warmth with others. Gratitude is a flame that grows brighter the more it is shared with those around you. Let your life flow like a river, overcoming obstacles not by force, but by the persistent power of gentle gratitude. Plant seeds of thankfulness today, and you will harvest a future filled with happiness, connection, and deep, lasting peace.
We are all connected. Your happiness contributes to the happiness of the world. Your gratitude heals more than just yourself. Write a new chapter for your life starting today. One where you are the protagonist who finds joy in every situation. Embrace the freedom that gratitude brings. It liberates you from the chains of wanting and anchors you in the present. Spread this message like seeds in the wind. Let it land in fertile soil and grow into a beautiful garden.
Happiness is available to everyone, everywhere, at any time. It is just one grateful thought away from where you are. Take a moment now to identify one thing you are truly grateful for. Hold that feeling in your heart. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May your days be filled with many stop signs and beautiful opportunities. If this message resonated with you, please share it with someone who might need a little more light today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content that nurtures your soul and brings peace to your mind. From all of us at Simply Happy Now, we wish you a life full of gratitude and happiness. Goodbye for now.
Simply now, no rush, no chase, no why, no how. Just breathe it in. Simply happy now. Simply happy now. Stay gentle, stay kind. This moment is enough. Simply happy.